I could bring that little trailer right over in here, and I could see if I could take that luggage rack off of that. Oh, watch me. I'll just do it. Watch it. No, wait, not. I was thinking I might weld a little longer handle to it. And I might be able to walk down to the water with a 14-foot. I don't know what my boat is, 14 or 12, but that 10 boat I got, I might be able to walk down the water if I had it balanced on the back of that. And see, I'm guessing if I take out these here screwsies right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, that would just jump right off of there. Yep, see these little things here? I could get me some half-inch wrenchicles. Get me some wrenchicles. Little wrenchicles in here I got somewhere. I got me some wrenches. Some wrenches. Yeah, here they are. It's them wrenches. Them good Harbor Freight, high quality. You can't get them down at the Sears store. Good Harbor Freight ones here. Sure can't. Ooh, let's see. Maybe I'll just take the whole thing over here. That's what the professionals do. Instead of walking back and forth to their box of wrenches, they just take their whole box, the whole thing. They put wheels on their boxes. Now see these ones here, they got screwdriver heads. Y'all see that? And these ones here, well, one has a head and one has, I don't even know what that is. So, anyway, let's see what we got. It's gonna be too big. Yeah, I knew that. I knew that before I did it, but I wanted y'all to see that I wasn't joking. Now that was a 13, this is a 14, so 14 ain't gonna fit it. And that 3/8 ain't gonna fit it. I'm thinking it's gonna be a half. I'm pretty sure I know I got a half in here. Here's a 7/16. I know that's gonna be too little, so I'm pretty sure that's gonna be a half. There's 9/16, that's gonna be too big. See? Yep, too big. So, there's my half right there. I bet that half's gonna fit. Oh, that's a pretty loose fit. That might be a metrical. It might be a metrical unit. That might be a 12. Yeah, no, that's loose as a 12. Let's try a E11. Can we get an 11 out of the crowd? Anybody got an 11? If you got an 11, say amen. That's a 13. The 12 didn't fit it, a 13 won't fit it. Alright. There's an 11. Let's try that. Oh no, 11 won't fit. Let's go back to, maybe it is a 12 after all. Maybe that was a half I had in my hand. No, is that a half or a 12? That's a half, ain't it? See, my eyeballs is not young anymore. I got old man eyeball syndrome. And some of you young men, y'all ain't had a chance to get none of that yet, but you will. I tell you though, when you get old and your eyes start failing, your wife gets prettier. I noticed that. The older she gets, the prettier she gets. Yeah, that's the benefit of losing your eyesight in your old age. Makes your marriage better because your wife just gets prettier and prettier as you get blinder and blinder. That's how that works. So, where's a 12? There should be one in there. Look at that thing. That's an 11/32. Ain't that some weird thing? I almost fit it too, but almost don't work. Sometimes. I could probably use a half if I have to. I'll probably use a half if I have to. I mean, I'll probably work enough. I guess if I put my glasses on, I could see the numbers on this thing. See, that's the thing. If you ain't got your glasses on, sometimes it's hard to tell what you're looking at. What do we got here? There's a 14. There's 12 right there. Let's see if that 12 fits it. This is pretty high technical stuff, so not everybody would be up to speed on this sort of thing. Ain't that 12? And if a 12 don't fit, and 13 don't fit, and the half don't fit, see that 13 is a little big, and the half is, I guess the half is as good as it gets, but that ain't a very good fit, ain't it? There ain't nothing between a half and a 7/16, except a 16th. So what would that be? That'd be a 9/32. Oh, wait, 16/32, 15/32. I don't even know. I don't even know. I thought I was smart. I thought I was wicked smart. Let's go up underneath it and see what size them ones are up under there, because I think it could be a half, or they could be a half, or they could be a something else. Let's see here. Yeah. Look at that. That's not even a half, it's 12. I got too many variables going on here. For a man with my condition, I shouldn't have so many options. That's what's going on here. I should have less options rather than more. The confusability of my psyche is glaring. Glaring confusability here. That is, that one fits that one. That's 13. So I got a little socket to go in that. Not here, I don't. Maybe I got one somewhere. I don't know how that got in there. Let's put that over there. Oh, my darling. Oh, my darling. Oh, my darling. Clementine. You was lost and gone forever, but for a little while, you was mine. I'll put y'all somewhere. Maybe I'll put you over here. I'll just sit right there. Behave. Don't get in the nothing. Don't stick your finger in the paint. I guess if I'd have been thinking about the importance of production and quality, I'd have put y'all in a place where you didn't have to look at the backside while I took in screws. See, that's the difference between me and a real professional cameraman. Move a light on the look. Things I have to think about just because y'all hang with me. You don't realize how grueling this really is. Oh, geez. What? Stop that. Behave yourself. Don't make me send somebody out there. Oh, yes. Comes out. I'll save them nuts and bolts there. I might have use for them later on. You just never know. See, that ain't gonna fit there because that's different. Sure is. Okay then. Okay I'm showing.